Top 10 Home Remedies to Lose Belly Fat Without Exercise. Don't worry guys, you are in the right place now. Through this post, I'm going to line up effective and proven home remedies to lose belly fat without going to exercise or gym. Alright, let's see the best home remedies to lose belly fat without any exercises. Number 1. Lemon, garlic, and luke water. Take the lukewarm water and squeeze 1 lemon into it. Mix it well and then add 2 or 3 chopped garlic cloves to it and mix very well. Drink this awesome remedy in every morning with your empty stomach. Or else you can chew 2 or 3 garlic cloves and drink the mixture of lukewarm water and lemon. You can add 2 teaspoons of honey if you want for some sweetness. Lemon has a cleansing effect on the body and it helps in detoxification of the liver. I personally recommend this home remedy to all who would like to see a good result in your belly. This is one of the best home remedies to lose belly fat easily and quickly. Number 2. Ginger, lemon, cucumber, coriander. First, you have to grate the ginger. Ginger has the ability to firing the metabolism in your body and it is a natural food to lose your belly fat. Slice the lemon in half and cut the cucumber into round-shaped pieces. Lemon helps to remove the toxins in our body and cucumber is rich in fiber which helps to digest your food easily. Then chop the coriander leaves. Finally, take a glass of water and add these entire ingredients into it and blend it well. Then filter the mixture and drink the juice. This is the best remedy at night time before you go to bed. Drink this juice every night and you will see the weight loss in your stomach. Number 3. Cabbage. This is quite new to many of you, but one of the effective foods to lose your belly fat. Cabbage is very rich to have fat-burning properties. It has the power of remove toxins from your body, especially from your belly area. Removal of toxins is one of the greatest ways to lose your belly fat. So, try to add cabbage with your daily intake. You can use cabbage into salads and sandwiches. Number 4. Fish oil or fish. Fish oil has the omega-3 fatty acids that help you to reduce your unwanted belly fat easily. Fish oil capsules are the great choice for losing belly fat. If not, you can eat fish, which is the perfect replacement for fish oil capsule. Eating fish or consuming fish oil capsule is the best and proven way to reduce your stomach fat. Number 5. Cranberry juice. You might be heard about this awesome home remedy for losing belly fat. Cranberries are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially very rich in vitamin C. Make a juice of cranberry and drink it every day, which will reduce your belly fat easily. Cranberry juice is good for your digestive enzyme because it is rich in organic acid. Drink cranberry juice without adding any sugar will give you a good result in the belly area. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is the powerhouse of antioxidants which help you to lose your belly fat in the quick and easy way. Green tea easily boosts up your metabolism than any other foods and it helps to burn fat, especially in the stomach area. If you really want to flatten your belly without put much effort, then you must have to drink green tea. Adding some lemon juice to the green tea will double the effect of losing belly fat. Number 7. Chia seeds. Eat chia seeds and lose your abdominal fat quickly. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants and are very rich in fiber and protein. Besides, they are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These all components gather together and shed your belly fat quickly. If you have any chance to get chia seed, don't miss it for your losing belly fat process. One of the effective ways to lose your stomach fat. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the best remedy if you really want to lose your belly fat. It easily regulates the sugar level. The advantage of intake apple cider vinegar is, it makes you feel like you are full, thus, you won't seek any foods to eat. Take a glass of water and mix 2 or 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and intake this half an hour before you're going to have your meal. I'm sure that it will make a noticeable difference in your belly fat. Number 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can use by every one of you since it is available in your kitchen most of the time. It is a thermogenic food which produces heat through metabolic stimulation. It also helps to control insulin level. Take a glass of lukewarm water and add a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey and mix it well. Leave it for half an hour and drink it every day before your breakfast. You can also intake this before your workout if you wish. It speeds up your metabolism, so it is work as a great belly fat burner. Number 10. Ginger, lemon, honey, water. Take a piece of ginger and grate it in small pieces. Ginger is the best thermogenic agent which increases your body temperature, thus, it helps to burn your belly fat easily. Get a glass of water and put a grated ginger into it. Slice the lemon and squeeze it into that, then add 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix this very well and keep it for half an hour so the water absorbs all the juices from the ginger. Before you have this drink, mixes it again. Intake this mixture every day and lose your belly fat easily and naturally. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and comment on the comment section below.